Okay, a while ago you will have seen me with the Origo Jobo C1 stove, as we have here, and its woeful burner, which is rusting away before my eyes. So we need to make a new burner. Now what I've been doing is we have steel mesh, a condensed milk tin. I dremeled out a couple of holes very roughly. I had to use my left hand. I'm right-handed, but my right hand isn't strong enough for using a Dremel. And you can see there that I had a wee slip with using my left hand, but it will do the business. We lined the inside of these holes with the wire mesh, and I have put in ceramic wool. It's slightly larger than the tin, so the last one I'm going to have to trim. Now I've got my gloves on because I don't know how good this sort of stuff is. With your fingers. The Jobo and Origos were filled with sort of fibre wool, glass fibre wool. And we all know what that stuff's like. So that's it roughly cut as well as I can do it. And I'll just insert it into the mesh. And then we'll just insert the mesh into the tin. And this is another reason for the gloves, just to protect the fingers. Just so we have it similar to this one. Now, originally the stove with a bit of fuel in it and the original burner, 422 grams. The new burner, 387 grams plus the lid, 369 grams, which is all good as long as it works. So we need to test it. Now these take a lot of fuel. We'll let that soak down and we'll get some water for the kettle. Okay, 300 mils of water. Put the burner in and let's see first of all if it will light. I'll just get this ready to snuff it out. And that is not going to light yet because it hasn't all soaked in. And we've used probably about 200 mils of fuel. It feels quite heavy now. Let's see if it lights. Okay, lights off. As we can see, it's lit. Four minutes, 51 seconds. And up here, you'll see the original burner and its time. And I still have a lot of ceramic wool left over for stove making, which is good. I'm in the middle of making a Jobo-Origo Cola caffeine chocolate tin stove. I get these free from Varusteleka on my birthday when I make an order. We'll see how this works in another video. Let me know down below if you want to see the Jobo-Cola alcohol stove. Also let me know what you think of the crude but effective burner replacement for the Jobo-Origo C1. It's just a shame that my right hand isn't up to using a Dremel, because otherwise we would have had that a little bit better. But the main thing is I surprised myself and it works. And until next week, I'll sign off. All the best. Until then, bye-bye.